what's up guys, welcome to my vlog. Today I am here at my mango garden. You can see this is my mango garden. So look at close. This is Dasehari mango. You can see, and this is Dasehari garden, and many more. You can see this is Badhar, and you can see this is lemon.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
can see this is guava tree. This is guava fruit. You can see. And recently very heavy rain, so you can see my garden full with water. And also you can see this is bale. Fruits not in this plant. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you enjoyed this video, please support my channel. Please like, subscribe and share my videos. So, and if you want any video I make, then please comment. I will make that video. So we will meet next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.